At SA Water, our customers are at the heart of everything we do. When network faults occur and affect people at their home or business, we work together to ensure a safe and efficient response. As community support officers, we visit customers to provide support and achieve good outcomes. As you can imagine, a day for us can be as unpredictable as the weather itself. If we're here in the Operations Control Center, we are usually notified directly of an issue via our Customer Care Center. Here we find out what it is, the requirements and the location. If we are off-site, we are notified via phone that our attendance is needed. This information is also put on our work order app. The most common incidents we help customers with are the temporary interruptions of water supply and sewage overflows. When sewage overflows, we'll visit the home or business and help our customers through the fix and cleanup. We send a team to clean and sanitize the area, offering and arranging support to customers wherever they need it. We also provide advice on different measures our customers can use to prevent future incidents. Leaks and breaks can affect our customers with temporary water supply interruptions and traffic disruption while we repair and reinstate services safely. When main breaks affect residential properties, it is understandable that customers want to know why that's happened and, importantly, when it will be reinstated. It is our job to provide those details and ensure they have water available while our crews repair the main. We also work with commercial properties that require water to run their business. For critical customers like medical centers, schools or nursing homes, we can organize a tanker to ensure a constant supply of safe, clean drinking water. This relies on us liaising with our crews and technicians. We sometimes also need to investigate if there is any property damage that needs to be repaired or reinstated. As a community support officer, being able to demonstrate our commitment to positive customer experiences is incredibly rewarding. My experience has shown it takes a lot of technology, planning and people to bring about a fantastic customer experience.